Hey, yo, Lil Duval, I'm telling you, man, you little bitch, you gonna keep trying me. Look, all this beef we got, you keep my auntie's name out your mouth, ho. All right? And we gonna set up this fight. I already called Will Packer. We're gonna do it on Bounce TV on a Wednesday at 4 in the morning, so nobody will see it. We're gonna do this shit, but you keep my auntie's name out your motherfucking mouth, okay? I ain't Tommy from Power. I ain't Biff from Back to the Future. I ain't Troy Aikman. I'm Gary Owen. Keep my name out your mouth, Lil Duval, and you keep my auntie's name out your mouth, okay? My auntie fixes the transmission in my truck. All right, what's my hat say? Loyalty. Oh, shit, I got on selfie mode. So it says, Yadilu. That's what it says, Lil Duval. All right, we're gonna do this shit. Motherfucker think I'm playing. I got a lamp in my hotel room. In the ceiling. Bitch.
Hey, you bitch ass nigga. Yeah, talking all that fuck shit. Yeah, I ain't finna go back and forth with you. I'm gonna tell you that right now, nigga. Pull up, fuck nigga. Pull up! Puss ass nigga. Nigga. White boy nigga. White boy nigga.